Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to MJ Crypto. This is Ant USDT, ANT USDT, and I want to make a quick analysis for you guys. For those of you who haven't joined the SMC Made Easy course, where you can actually do all of these things by yourself, the link is in the description of this video. So now, first things first, we go to the weekly time frame because that is where we get to see the entire structure of the market, if the market is bullish or bearish. So as it seems right now, you can see that we're actually on a downtrend. Okay, we have this support line right here. Have just use my arrow to have this support right here that has changed into resistance, or we could call it a breaker block if you are trading SMC. All right, because support is actually flipped to resistance because price broke down from here, came back again, still retesting the same support. The support is colored in blue. All right, so now first things first, on the weekly we know we're bearish, so we're only looking for sell positions. So the next thing I want to do is to go back to the daily time frame and see what the daily trend is looking like. If we're still bearish, then it's an extra confirmation for us. Yeah, so it's an extra confirmation for us, and we're still bearish in the daily time frame. Amazing, isn't it? So I'm just going to focus right here on this and show you guys what I think is most likely going to happen. As you can see, we have a symmetrical triangle right here staring at us right in the face. You can see this slant resistance right here. You can also see the slant support. Now, momentum is coming from here. Momentum is also coming from here. So, but as it seems, it's more like the sellers are in control of this market, and they are willing to short the market as it seems right now. Mind you, back to the weekly time frame, we could also go a flip side because whenever I'm making analysis, I do it from the positive side and of course the part where things may go south. All right, so should in case we if we should break above this support, flipping if we should break above this resistance now, that was a support before. If we do break and come over and close above it, then we should start looking for buys. But as it seems right now, this is actually looking more of a bearish scenario. Okay, so back to the daily time frame, back to the daily. Let's see what the daily is looking like again. Of course, it's still bearish, most definitely a bearish scenario. And now price has actually broken down from this symmetrical triangle. We've seen that price has broken down and it's looking more like price has retested this area. It's looking now like price has retested this area. Okay, or maybe I just need to maybe just use some tools to just show you guys what exactly is happening. All right. Okay. Well, anyway, that's just what exactly I'm seeing. Okay, somewhere around here. So price has retested. You can see it. Price has retested with this particular candle. All right, so price has retested this trend line after the breakdown. The breakdown was from this candle here, So I would actually want to wait to ensure that this candle closes. If it does, then I know that's actually a confirmed breakdown and it's not a fake out, because sometimes you could have a breakdown, price will consolidate for some time and then shoot back up to continue the trend, shoot back up from here and plunge towards the upside and continue the trend. All right, but I don't see that happening here because of the little confirmations we've had, right? So next thing I want to do is to go back to the 4 hour time frame. I love this time frame so much. If you know me by now, you should know this is one of my favorite time frames because it gives you a clearer picture of what exactly the market is doing currently. It's more like a current trend. I call it a current trend. What the market is doing as at now. Now you can see price is actually retesting this trend line. Price is retesting the trend line. So what I would do, I would rather want to wait for these lows to be taken out completely. These lows to be taken out so that I have a change of character somewhere around here, somewhere around this place. So I would wait for a change of character to occur, and this will form a complete this will actually form a complete head and shoulders pattern. All right, it's already formed the head and shoulders pattern, but I want to have extra confirmations so that I have rest of mind when I'm trading. you know, so I have rest of mind when I'm trading. So you can see we have head and shoulders pattern. Oh, sorry, head and shoulders pattern. There's this symbol I'm looking for. Where could that be? I'm used to trading with my tablets. I'm not used to trading with my laptops. So just pardon me a little. Yeah, let me use the brush sign just to show you guys. This is the head. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder again. And here's the neckline. All right, good. So basically that's the way it is. All right, so yeah, let me just knock this off as quickly as I can. Okay. Yeah, stick around to the end of this video. Don't go nowhere. I always ensure I make my videos very entertaining for you so that you don't get bored, by going straight to the point. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. To the 1 hour time frame. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, the same thing is still showing head and shoulders, head and shoulder pattern formation. It's still showing, but we've not broken down, we've not taken down this low. So I'm still going to be patient. I'm going to be very extremely patient. I'm not going to go into this trade now. So I would wait it out and ensure that yes, this low is taken out completely. I will ensure that this low is taken out completely. Yeah, and when that happens, in fact, let me set an alert for it. Set an alert. Just set an alert. Put it on once per minute, and I'm going to say change of character, change of character. So this is actually a bearish change of character if we fall and break below it. So once this happens, then boom, confirmation. You now go into the trade and then be thinking of taking out this low, because ultimately this will become a weak low. This right here will become what? A weak low. There's a strong high and a weak low. So here will become a weak low when we take out this low right here. Take out this low right there. It's going to be a weak low. I mean, this one right here. Yeah, it's going to be a weak low. So we're actually going to take it out. But like I told you, the flip side, if we start breaking structure, sorry, if we start breaking this structure and forming another higher high somewhere around this point here, then our setup is no longer valid. We'll start looking for long positions, meaning all of these things here was just an accumulation phase for price to shoot back to the upside. My name is MJ Crypto. I believe I'm giving you guys a lot of value, and I believe that you enjoy my content so vividly and interestingly. All right, so you can sign up for good mentorship on smart money concept and how to trade like this, become a professional trader like my humble self, and know the rudiments, the keys, and everything that you require to become successful in this space. Now, I'm going to leave you guys with a rema. There is this mantra that says that, or rather, there's this belief that I have that you shouldn't forecast the market. Don't try to forecast what would happen. Just prepare. All right, prepare your mind towards anything. Don't try to predict the market, but rather, instead of predicting the market, what you should be doing is forecasting. What you should be doing is preparing. Don't predict, just prepare. You are not here to predict, you are here to prepare so that you don't miss opportunities. All right, two different things. So I'm going to leave you right now, and yeah, let me set another. Let me just set this. Set another alert right from here. So you can see how I analyzed from the weekly down to the one. It's called top-down analysis, and I've talked about this. I've gone in details in my course. Okay, and of course, multiple time frame analysis. I've talked about it vividly that anybody can understand. Even a newbie would understand all of these things that I've taught. All right, let me just put another one. You see, bullish. It's going to be um, bullish chalk. All right, bullish chalk, and let's create that. So yeah. Let's go. If we do take out that one there, then know that okay, everything we've been seeing here, it's all a consolidation. It's strictly a consolidation. I mean, everything happening in this box, everything happening here is all a consolidation to move towards the upside or the downside. Cheers, big ups, one love. Keep trading, keep being successful, and sky would be a starting point. Yeah, man.